Thank you for joining me. I'm Alexandra, and I don't want to talk about Kellogg, but here we are. So, the company was founded to create the most blandest of cereal, and that is actually the truth. So, they make cereal and some other stuff, actually, a lot of other stuff at this point, but um, still, the staple of their company is cereal, and current stock price 57.70, which gives them a market cap of $19.8 billion. Revenue $13.8 billion, which is slightly up. Earnings $1.3 billion, which is up significantly. And they currently have a PE of 18 with a forward PE of 15, which is pretty nice. Generally, you're looking for below 20. 18 is nice. 15 is pretty good. Dividend yield over 4% with a payout ratio of 63%, which is also very nice. Total assets $18 billion, total liabilities $14.4 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $3.1 billion. It's decent. At least it's positive. At least we have a company with a positive balance sheet at this point. So obviously I'm not a huge fan of this balance sheet, but could be worse. Risk factor is people not eating cereal, I guess. McDonald's finally taking over the world. So overall, I don't think there's really any risk factors. Store brands would be a risk factor, and they've been trying, and so there is that, but it's not really a huge change. They've been there for a while. So for a growth investor, obviously a cereal company is not really the place to invest. For a dividend investor, the dividend is very nice, the payout ratio is decent, the PE is nice, and you're just going to have to deal with the balance sheet, I guess. But I think it definitely warrants a closer look, and I might even be tempted to invest some money myself, but I'm not sure about that yet. For a value investor, the balance sheet is meh, but the PE is really nice. So the dividend being a nice bonus on top of that really definitely makes it worth a closer look. And Kellogg also obviously a company that's very stable and very consistent. So overall, I think that it's definitely an interesting company for both a value investor and a dividend investor. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.